Hey, so welcome to TWC Projects. I am at it again today, of course, and I'm up at Bear Ridge, my off-grid property, and cleaning up quite a bit. It's gotten overgrown, so I got out and trimmed up a little bit. So looking a lot better, as you saw when we drove in. It was all weeds, and it just it grows. It's all good though. So got it trimmed down a bit now, and we've got a lot more of that to do. I've got to go down and hit the meadow. I'm sure that's gotten waist deep down there as well. Hopefully not quite that deep. Hopefully it's only about 24 inches, but anyway, we'll attack that as well today and whatever else we can get to. So thank you for coming along as I create things, fix things, and enjoy God's amazing creation outdoors. And I'm loving bringing you along with me. I hope you're enjoying it too. And let's get back to work. All right, so I'm down here at my favorite spot down in the woods where, down right by the brook. Let me show you. Brook's kind of low, it hasn't rained in a while. Still wet though, always flowing a little bit. And it must flow enough to push those logs out of the way because every time I come out here, I have to put those logs back in place. But I was just unloading the camera and putting new batteries. In fact, I have got two of these old ones. What are these called? Muddy brand, and they I think it's the first time I've changed the batteries in it in 2+ years maybe. They just seem to last forever, so this time I just put cheap old batteries in it instead of the really good ones, just because I had a whole bunch of them I got free from Harbor Freight. So hopefully they'll last 5 or 6 months. But anyway, this one camera, the reason I wanted to talk about it for a second, it's all slimy. You probably can't see it, but Mama Bear really likes this, and I'll throw up a video a couple of videos actually. Got a bunch of good ones, mama bear and baby bear. Got a little cub running around here somewhere, so I try to keep my eyes peeled for them because I don't want to be anywhere near that. Very cute and very dangerous. So anyway, but mama bear always likes my cameras. She always comes up and licks them and sticks her nose on them. So I'll show you, I'll throw in a couple clips here of her doing that with baby bear. I don't know what she finds so interesting. I guess she can smell my scent on it, but she always comes up and gets all over it. So maybe if you know why they do that, let me know in the comments. But anyway, I'm going to put this one back. It's a good spot. I definitely pick up bear here, and the other one by the other part of the brook. I think they come right through, follow the brook right up through. So we'll see if there's anything on that camera too, and I'll pull off some of those videos. Just wanted to update you. We'll go a little bit further. I'm just about done. Actually, I'm pretty well done. I had one little spot down there that I needed to get a little bit better. It's still always a little muddy over there, so I have to be real careful to back in. As you saw, I just kept backing in. The big fat tires stay all right. The little ones sink in immediately, so backing seems to do the job. So anyway, we'll finish up cutting, then we'll wrap up. So hope you're having a great day. I'm having a beautiful day here and excited to be out in this. This place is so beautiful. I don't even know how to, like the camera just doesn't really get it. It's just gorgeous out here. All right, so that's it. I had plans to send up the drone while I was cutting, but I just time got away from me. But it turned out real well. This is the second, well, actually third time I've cut this down here. First time was just to try to clear it. And second was, mowing it like I did today. And then, it turned out real well. So super happy with this little meadow down here. I love this place. The grass is growing in real well. I'm trying to keeping this cut as best I can here because it's so swampy in there. And there were like little lily pads growing in here of sorts. So, but hopefully if I can keep it exposed to the sun enough, it'll dry a little bit more. Maybe eventually this will be a little bit better. Ooh, it's just all mush and water here, but you see the lily pads. So pretty though, I love it. It's just gorgeous. So, all right, well I'm going to wrap it up here. Got one more camera to change out batteries and get some videos, so I'll hopefully I've already put the bear videos up, or I'll put it up after this because there's several more videos that were right here from the brook, from right where the camera is right on the brook over the bridge. So I'll have those too. If I didn't already put those up, I'll put them at the end so you can check those out. Really, really neat to see. So anyway, thanks as always for joining me as I continue this one-man journey of trying to clear and maintain some land and eventually build a house out here. Try to be off-grid as best I can, but it's just so beautiful, and I'm making progress slowly but surely. And anyway, thanks again for joining me. Thanks for subscribing, for hitting the bell to get notified when new ones come out. Hit the thumbs up if you like it, share with a friend, and until next time, have a fantastic week, and I will see you on the next project.